Welcome students to the third session of Maths Everywhere. So we are proceeding with the next part of Mathematics Karnataka TET paper 2020. So question number 102. So in this question we are discussing the areas of similar triangles. It is based on areas of two similar triangles. So DEF are the midpoints of the sides BCCA, AB of the triangle ABC. The ratio of areas of triangle ABC and DEF is. So the question is very easy. You can solve it in two ways. One, by considering the figure over here of the triangle ABC. So triangle ABC, the midpoints of the side BC is D, the midpoint of AC is E, and midpoint of the side AB is F. So when we join the midpoints of all the three sides, we split the triangle ABC into four equal parts. So the smaller triangle, that is one of the four triangle, will be 4 times the complete triangle ABC. So therefore the ratio will be 4:1. Okay, or we can make use of the concept of areas of similar triangles, that is area of similar triangles will be equal to square of the ratios of their corresponding sides. So here BC, the side BC will be 2 times FE, or FE will be half of BC. So in place of BC we are substituting 2 times FE, FE and FE will cancel, 2 square will be equal to 4. So 4:1 is the ratio of the areas of the two triangles. So the option 3 gives us the right answer. Next question, question number 103. So a chord of length 16 centimeter is drawn at a distance of 6 centimeter from the center of a circle. The radius of the circle is. So here we are considering a circle and we are considering a chord AB. The length of the chord AB is 16. Half of 16 will be equal to 8. Okay. So here there is a theorem which states the line drawn from the center to the chord, it divides the chord into two equal parts. So total length is 16. So AM will be 8 and MB will also be equal to 8. So the perpendicular, or the line which is drawn from the center to the chord, it is perpendicular bisector of the chord, and since it is a perpendicular bisector, the triangle AOM will be a right angle, and in this right angle we need to calculate the value of the radius. So OA square will be equal to AM square plus MO square. AM square is 8 square and MO is 6. On simplifying we get 100, and square root of 100 is equal to 10 centimeter. So OA is equal to 10 centimeter. Next question. The area of quadrant of a circle when perimeter of the circle is 44 centimeter square. So we know the perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r. On substituting the value of the perimeter, we get 44 is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r, which on simplifying we get r is equal to 7. So r is equal to 7. We require the area of quadrant. We know the area of the quadrant is 1/4 of the area of the circle. So we need to calculate the area of the circle and divide it by 4. So area of the circle will be equal to 154 and divided by 4 we get 38.5. So option 1 gives us the right option. So this is a very small session. In this session we have discussed 3 questions from the Karnataka TET paper. So if you feel the solutions are useful to you, please like the video and subscribe the video. Subscribe the channel so that you can get the further videos which will be related with and help you to prepare for CETET. So the complete entire maths part will be covered through this channel. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.